Mahusay na tuwa ang may likha. Piliin mo ang inang Pilipinas. Kapulo ang kwintas ng pelas.
Wala ho bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin ho bang hiyawan dyan? With Diamond, our college, by Fresh and Wilderman. Perfect by Trial. Hi, ma'am sir. Kamusta po kayo? Have a nice day. My name is Ashley Elite Trialita. 16 years old this summer. All the way from the home of the brave, Tondo, Manila. At ako nga po, ang minsan niyong napanood sa kapuso mo, Jessica Soho, bilang isang batang kontrahera. At ngayong gabi, hayaan niyo po ang harinig ko ang pagkababae ni Miss Binibini Loisa Antalio. Miss Loisa Antalio, naniniwala sa kasabihang, mahirap ang lalaki kung hindi ka tunay na lalaki. Mahirap ang babae kung hindi ka tunay na babae. Pero mas mahirap po mga tao kung hindi niyo nasusuhin bilang isang tao. Judges, lagi natin makakatandaan, kung maganda ka at matapang ka, mag-number 1 ka. And I thank you so much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1.
Sa marasit lang dagat at ng bayan ng Pilipinas. Piliin mo yakap ang Pilipinas.
Good evening, people of Barangay 123, Tondo, Manila. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala din po bang hiyawan dyan? Wala din po bang pagkain dyan? Joke lang po. In a world where everyone would like to be noticed, I prefer to be remembered. I may not be the prettiest, the sexiest, or probably not your most popular candidate. But one thing is for sure, I am authentic, and I am always ready to give them a good fight. Hello everybody, my name is Ash Aldama Simonias, 26 years of age, all the way from the historical capital of the Philippines. Yes, you are correct, I am from Kawit, province of Cavite. I am a project manager, a tourism ambassador, and I am proud to share and humble as well that I was your first ever Reina ng Turismo Cavite 2023. But tonight, since this is the battle of screen names, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only lady who once captured the heart of Mr. Aljur Abarenica. Magbigay pugay sa inyong Reyna Amihan, ako po ngayong gabi, si Miss Kylie Padilla. Miss Kylie Padilla na nag-iiwan po ng isang napakagandang awitin para sa inyong lahat. Napakaraming guro dito sa atin, ngunit bakit tila walang natira? Nag-aabot sila. Napakaraming gwapo dito sa Tondo, ngunit bakit tila walang natira? Bakla na din sila. And tonight, as we vie for the crown, come what may, I am here to slay. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. That was our candidate number 2, Ms. Ash Aldama, also known as Kylie Padilla.
Piliin mo ang inang Pilipinas. Kapulo ang kwintas ng kasayang di mapatid. Ramdam sa bawat mo.
Mabuhay, hunigan sa Cebu, nibaling sa inyong atubangan, ang Diyosang nabulo sa kabulahan, kagiras-giras sa kanyagan. A girl standing before you is a fresh, indeed innocent, 18 years old stunner, who drew you all the way from the Viva Pit Senior. The Lakbayaw Festival was celebrated, Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to carry the image of your one and only Empress. I am the girl who captured the heart of Mr. Anthony Jennings. Why did you try to give me a clock and make some noise? Dahil ngayong gabi, ako ho ang babaeng nagsabi ng smoke, then pop. Opo, ako nga po, si Miss Maris Racal. Maris Racal na nagsasabing, sa mabubuti ho nilang balat, malalaking dibdib na pinagpipiyastahan ng grupo ng kalalakian. Ngayong gabi, ating baguhin ang pamantayan ng kagandahan. Ang ganda ng ilan, saksi ng karamihan. Tatapatan, papantayan, minsan pa nga po'y hihigitan ng taong nasa inyong harapan. Judges, mark my number because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was our candidate number.
Dahil maganda po ako, kaunta. Sexy po ako, kaunta. Palakpakan naman po kayo, kaunta. Dagdagan niyo pa, kaunta. At hiyawan, kaunta. Salamat po, kaunta. Ako po, si Summer Jane Corpus, 19 years old, all the way last from the Manila's Northeast Edge, Santa Mesa, Manila! And I am your recently crowned Queen of Quiapo International 2026. But tonight, allow me to carry the image of your one and only, the controversial the girl who captured the heart of Mr. J. Cuenca, ang tunay na kawangis ni Miss G. Filomeno. G. Filomeno na nagsasabing, noon ang mga babae tinitignan dahil magaganda. Ngayon, ang mga magaganda, tinitignan kung mga tunay na babae. Magandang gabi po. 1, 2, 3. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. Candidate number 4, Miss Summer Jane Corpus, also known
Piliin mo ang inang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwitas ng pelas. Piliin mga puso'y lumilipas. Piliin mo ang kwitas ng pelas. Piliin mo yung traffic at ang tigas, kapulo ang kwitas ng pelas.
It's good to be back here in Barangay 123. Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin ho bang hiyawan dyan? Tonight is not just a celebration of beauty, but it is a celebration of courage, grace, and identity that unite us all. Serving you, Trans Excellency, from a pure-blooded Camarao. This is Nicole Ayala Gokangway, hailing all the way from the Galangin, Tondo, Manila. And tonight, since this is a pageant, please do allow me to carry the image of your one and only, your Reina Hispano-Americana 2017, and your current Miss Universe Philippines 2025 first runner-up, Teresita Winwin Marquez. The girl standing in front of you is a proud four-year college student who is currently taking up Bachelor of Arts in Communication, major in Convergent Media at Far Eastern University. And judges, I may not have the crowns that the previous queens were mentioned, but I would like to remind you all that I didn't come here to blend in. I came here to blaze trails. Good evening.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5, Miss Nicole Escoto, also known as Nicole Ayala Gokangway.
Piliin mo ang inang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwitas ng pelas. Sa masisiglain na, mga puso yung pilipan. Piliin mo.
Wala pong masusunugan ng bahay at lalong wala pong maaagawan ng jowa. Dahil ang hinihiling ko lamang po ay isang masigabong palakpakan. Maraming salamat po. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, I firmly believe that the physical attributes of a person is time will change. But the goodness of the heart will last for a lifetime. That's why one should be careful with your thoughts, because your thoughts may become your words may become your actions, and your actions may become your personality that will mold and define one's destiny. Call me Yunil Torino Cebuche, a 25-year-old listener, all the way from the Tiger City of the Philippines, Mandaluyong City. And yes, I graduated as magna cum laude at the National University of Manila, who took a Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies. And currently, I am taking up my Master's in Communication, major in Forensic Linguistics at the University of the Philippines, Diliman. But for tonight, allow me to introduce myself as one of the game changers, one of the catalysts of change. Indeed, pen is mightier than sword. I am a journalist by profession and a beauty queen by passion. But for tonight, since there is a pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. Minsan na rin po akong napanood sa Telepantaseling Encantadia bilang si Sangre Lira. At minsan nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Paul Salas. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan, Miss Mikey Quintos. Mikey Quintos na nagsasabing, in this world full of choices, always choose yourself. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6, Miss Juniel Atibucho, also known as Miss Mikey Quintos.
Ang gilig, nasa dulong ng panghari, kaya't isang libong
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po ba? Iyawan dyan. Marami pong salamat. I didn't care what they say about my skin color. So I let the red light of my soul Cantaldo. Mabuhay! This is Queen Ading Audacia, 18, from Tondo, Manila, a bona fide member and one of the representatives of the most active LGBTQA+ organization in the whole Metro Manila, and awarded as most accomplished youth organization and your first ever LGBTQA+ council in the whole Metro Manila, the UDM Bahaghari, a pageantology 101 ambassadress and one of the president of a trans queen, and your Pechi ng Maynila top 10 finalist. But tonight, since this is a pageant, hayaan niyo pong ginamin ko ang pagkababae ng nag-iisang TikTok influencer, ang babae nagmahal, nasaktan, nag-live sa TikTok. The very controversy, Miss Meiko Montefalco. Miss Meiko Montefalco po na nagsasabi, ang taong nagpapakataas ay siyang binababa. Ang taong nagpapakambaba ay siyang pinapataas. Magandang gabi po.
Thank you so much. That was our candidate number 7, Oding Odensial, also known as Meiko Montefalco.
I don't mind traveling for almost 2 hours from Quezon City down to your barangay. Muli sa huling pagkakataon, wala man lang bang palakpakan dyan? Wala man lang bang hiyawan dyan? Wala man lang bang pwedeng jowain dyan? Joke lamang po. Give a man a fish, and he will live for a day. But teach a man how to fish, and he will live forever. Well, a glamorous and spectacular evening to everybody. A girl who was naked in your eyes, a fresh and tinted innocent. 22 years old, a stunner who's graduated in AMA University with a course of Humanities and Social Science. Graduated, legitimate, magna cum laude. Amen. This is your Sean Eliza Lamo, ang nag-iisang business owner sa umaga, call center agent sa gabi. But tonight, allow me to carry the image of your one and only. Hindi po ako si Kisses de la Vie ng PBB at hindi rin po ako si Lenny ng TikTok. But tonight, allow me to be your one and only. Ang kauna-unang humawak ng brilyante ng lupa sa palabas na Encantadia. Bati po natin sabay-sabay palapakan at hiyawan na nag-iisang harahen, Miss Diana Subiri-Smith. Diana Subiri-Smith po na nagsasabi, para po sa taong pinakamamahal ko, kapag ako napagod kakahabol sa'yo, ay tay, bala ka dyan, maglalakad ako. Once again, this is your candidate number 8 saying, init sa stage. Thank you.
True candidate number 8, Miss Sean Eliza.
Ang pangit ng flower girl.
Bata pa lang, pagod na.
Babae PSWD. Wow! Lotus Pit.
Ang pamangit naman ang kasali sa prom.
Bata pa lang, pinalaglag na. Pero kumapit na buhay. patay, libing na.
Ang pangit ng ninang, no?
Yung nanay para nag-pay off the 40s.
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. Well, I always believe that many has been part of history, but only few can bend history itself. On this night of spectacle and this public display, we transgenders bend history, and that will forever be our story. Mayo pabainga kekayungan, or should I say, but a pleasant evening, ladies and gentlemen, and to the panel board of judges, ma'am, sir, and to all audience tonight. Allow me to tantalize myself into a little bit of sexy, a little bit of hot, glamorous, elite, beauty queen. I am Izumi Quinones, 18-year-old, who truly all the way where the Bebop Beat Senior is celebrated and Lakbayo Festival is originated from the home of the generous people of Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to carry the image of your Miss Earth Air 2023. Your Miss Earth, Miss Eliana Marie Aduana. And from the emergence of the transgender community saying, I love you all. Thank you so much.
I'm looking at that whole place glowing at that
Stage, beautiful people of Barangay 123 Tondo, Manila. 7 years ago, I was on the same stage, conquering the same title. Some of the beautiful candidates I competed with are now actually very beautiful in front of me. Ladies and gentlemen, sa nilayo-layo ho ng aking pinanggalingan, wala bang palakpakan at hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. Never ever be confused with my personality and attitude, because my personality is me and my attitude always depends on you. Hello, hi, mabuhay people of the land. This beautiful young lady standing right here before you is only 21 years of age. Unlike the other candidates, I am not going to mention any of my life successes because I am fully aware that in order for us to clinch the 9th round, we will be judged based on performance, never with the background or achievement. I am Samantha Skyfero, hailing all the way last from the Emerald City of the South Muntinlupa, that tonight allow me to carry the image of one of the most beautiful face of showbiz industry. Ako po ang pinakabagong ahas sa telebisyon dahil walang 11 years kay Miss Andrea Brillantes. Na nagsasabi po, ang lalaking hindi marunong limingon sa pinanggalingan, talaga sa aking kagandahan. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy the rest of the show. Good evening, Tondo, Manila.
So thank you so much, candidate number 11, Miss
looking at an angel and believe whole place glowing at that
Gulat kayo, no? May babae sa Binibining 1, 2, 3.
Bago po ako magpakilig, wala po bang palakpakan dyan at masagkabong hiwawan dyan? Every challenge is an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to serve others with purpose. A true success doesn't define by titles, but by the positive impact we can make through compassion and integrity. By choosing kindness and unity, we can make meaningful change for the better future. Standing here before your eyes is a young 21 years old stunner, all the way last from the home of Brave, the one and only, Tondo, Manila. I am a psychology graduate at the National Teachers College, Batch 2023, a human resources specialist by profession, a runway model by passion, but tonight, I am your new rising star pageant sensation. And yes, call me by the name, the one and only, ang babaeng sumasali sa mga Miss Gay. Yes, call me Joan Crisostomo de los Reyes Lopez. Joan Crisostomo de los Reyes Lopez, please do allow me to stand by the name, the one and only, ang babaeng nagpakilig at currently may hawak na brilyante ng lupa. And yes, call me by the name, Tera, the one and only Miss Bianca Umali. Miss Bianca Umali na nagsasabing, babae man sa inyong paningin, bakit hindi niyo subukan mahalin? At kung hindi na po kayo liligaya sa aking piling, tsak nyo na lang po ako lisanin. Once again, this is your girl, Joan Crisostomo de los Reyes Lopez, saying, sit back and relax because this baby girl will set this stage on fire. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Na ang libong kulay, piliin mo ang ilang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwitas ng pera. Kasaya ang dimati, ng nasi, sa magsisi.
Sa layo po ng char. Sa layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? At wala rin po bang masigabong hiyawan dyan? What's up, Barangay 1, 2, 3? From the clan of the Paramount, the fierce and the beautiful, my name is Pia Nicole Foster, a 28-year stunner all the way from the majestic city of Tondo, Manila. And I am proud to say that I am one of your Eat Bulagas finalist, Queen of the Sea. And I am one of your Queen of Tondo 2015. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name ang nag-iisang hatmamat sa bakuran ng ABS-CBN at ang nagpatibok sa pilikang puso ni Mr. Alika TV. Sabay-sabay po nating iyawan at palakpakan. Miss Christine Reyes. Christine Reyes na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang Veni, Vidi, Vinci. I came, I saw, and I conquered this fabulous stage. Daghang salamat po.
Thank you so much, candidate number 13, Pia Nicole Foster, also known as Chris.
Wala pong masusunugan ng bahay kung lahat po tayo ay magpapalakpakan. Wala pong mamamatayan ng nanay at tatay kung lahat po tayo ay magpapalakpakan at maghihiyawan. Maraming salamat po. I always believe in the 1987 Philippine Constitution, Article 3, Section 4 of the Bill of Rights, that no law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, freedom of the press, and most especially the freedom of expression. That is why, to all the judges, to all audiences tonight, I am here standing in front of you, expressing the best version of myself. My name is Queen Casey Serena. I am 23 years old and I am hailing all the way where the Pangistan Festival is celebrated from the fishing trade capital of the Philippines, Navotas City. I am also a graduate with a bachelor's degree in elementary education at the Navotas Polytechnic College, and I am also one of the 79,696 who passed the licensure examination for teacher last December 18 of 2025. Wala man po akong titulo na maipagmamalaki sa inyo tulad ng mga nagdaang kandidata sapagkat ngayong gabi ako lamang po ay isang baguhan at nag-uumpisang gumawa ng sarili kong pangalan. That is why right now, you can just call me Teacher Casey. At ngayong gabing ito, nais ko pong hiramin ang katauhan na nag-iisang babaeng nagpatibok sa puso at nagpatigas sa nota ni Tanggol sa Batang Quiapo. Bakit hindi niyo pa subukang palakpakan at hiyawan Binibining Lobby Paul? At bago ko po isanin ng napakagandang entabladong ito, ako po ay nag-iiwan ng isang paalala, lalong-lalo na sa mga baklang nandon sa likod, nagchichismisan, mga baklang naggagandahan sa gilid, lalong-lalo na sa mga baklang nasa backstage, na bago po kayo lumaklak ng kung ano-anong pampakinis, pampaputi at pampalaki ng hinaharap, please lamang po, magtawas po muna kayo. Dahil ika nga po ni DJ Chacha, una magdasal ka para mabuhay ka. Pangalawa, bakla, magtawas ka parang awa mo na. Again, I am your candidate number 14, greeting you all. Mabuhay. Thank you very much.
Sa nilayo-layo pa po ng aking pinanggalingan, Barangay 123, wala po bang masigabong palakpakan at hiyawan dyan? I am Ramona de los Santos Baluno, 27, all the way from the land of the world-class bakers, Municipality of Cuenca, Province of Batangas. And I am a proud graduate of Business and Sales Management in Singapore and currently taking my second degree of BS Psychology in University of Batangas, Lipa Campus. And tonight, as this is a pageant, let me stand by the name. Ang babaeng minsan niyo na pong minahal sa Always Be My Maid. Ang babaeng minsan nang nagpainit ng inyong gabi sa Pasyon de Amor. Opo, ako nga po. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan ang babaeng artista sa umaga, rakista sa gabi, Miss R.C. Munoz. Miss R.C. Munoz na nag-iiwan ng kasabihan, Judges, I might be a beginner. This might only be my 14th pageant. But tonight, number 15 will definitely be your new favorite Batangueña Contesera. Good evening, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you so much. That was our candidate number 15, Ramona de los Santos Baluno, also also known as RC Munoz.
And to complete our Binibini Uno Dos Tres, let's have our last candidate, candidate number 16.
Ang bayan niyang pinili, nasa taas ng tela.
Good evening, Barangay 123, Uno, Dos, Tres, Tondo, Manila. I always believe that beauty is the opposite of perfection. It's about confidence, charisma, and character. Once again, good evening to all of you. I am Miss Meg Mendoza, a proud graduate from University of the East Manila who took a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. But tonight, please allow this angel to epitomize the beauty of Miss Heaven Peralejo. Heaven Peralejo saying that a true sign of a queen is that she holds the respect for the others as highly as her crown. Good evening and enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you so much.